Dame i gospodo, novinari, želim da vam saopštim, pljačkanje države može da se isplati. Muzite državu koliko možete, zato što sam veći MMF od MMF-a. Imam.
Welcome to the channel, guys. I hope you having a wonderful day. Today I've been showing you how to hack offline games, so let's go. Before this video starts, like, subscribe and share. Appreciate it much, bros. So you can hack an example like Brawl Stars or Free Fire. You only can hack offline games. You can hack offline games with this app. So I'm gonna show you. Not this app, but with this app upgrade you can get this app. So you can download. I think you can download this app. Something like this. And you install pacher. Install. Something will show up on your screen. It will say, I don't know what will say, but I will say that for another tutorial. This is not installing, so I got it already installed in here in downloads. So let's take a look. So where is it? I don't know really. Okay, I will find it. So wait. Okay. I went and find it, but here, let me see, and here it is. Let's see what is happening here. Let's go. Let's see, it's installing. Free Fire. I will now at the screen. Here is my name at Free Fire and clan in Brawl Stars. So join and play with me. And my name in Brawl Stars is here. So nothing. Something is not right. I don't know. If this doesn't work, I don't know. We can't film this episode because of this. If this doesn't work, Lucky Pacher, I used to install. See, the app is not installed. I don't know why. So I will install again. What? Open. It worked. So let's see. This is not the Lucky Pacher. I don't know. Okay. I don't know what. Okay, I think that this one is working, but I'm not sure. Okay, we're gonna wait a little bit. It worked, so let's open. Oh, why? Let's try again. This is not the real Lucky Pacher, so don't. Okay, I tried 5 more times. It didn't work. In the first part, you see we're gonna install the Lucky Pacher app, and the part here, and you go you go here, I'm not good at drawing. You go there, then you go there. No matter what language it is, just click where I drawed you, and here, and it will install. So at the first part we didn't do anything, but at the second part we're gonna hack one offline game you send me in the comments below. So pause the video, go in the comment section, and tell me an offline game. Oh, can I? Don't tell me Clash Royale, Clash of Clans, Brawl Stars. If you do Supercell's game, I know Supercell has that anti-cheat system, so you hack that. When you hack that, removes your all about the game. This is not Lucky Pacher. Oh, what is this? So tell me an offline game I will install. So let's see. So I remembered in the last video there was some girl in the comments saying that I play Beast Brawlers, so I will play. See my face. So go on this video, then I'm gonna post, and in this video, go to this video, comment and tell me offline game. Of course I will play this game. I will review it in the next episode. Beast Brawlers. Okay, bye.